Hello here, back here with another video. Big Jake here. We're at an abandoned farm. Walking on the trail right now. As you can see, got Adrian right here to the right, and me right here, the cameraman. And we'll catch you later when we get there. Peace. We just made it to the barn, and we just walked half a mile or 2 miles, and we're just here to explore. There's a barn in front of me, and a couple ways down there is some abandoned other structures. I'll film that video in the next clip, but right for the meantime, here's the barn. So here's the barn. Very old abandoned structure. Here's step foot inside the barn. So supposedly this place is haunted. We're gonna do an investigation here shortly. So yeah, we'll film that right now. But right now we're just gonna film the barn in the meantime. Alright, peace guys, see you in the next clip. Now we're at the abandoned structure. I think this is the asylum that used to be, or the dairy farm. But right here, I have REM pod set up, device that they can use to trigger the objects. I'm here, can you set this device off? Can you show me that you're here? Can you show all my subscribers that you're here in front of the camera? Don't be shy, I won't harm you. We're just here to communicate and know how you passed away. Can you light that device up for me? Would you like any other devices to play with? Let's walk around. So this is the room that we have the device set up right there on the floor. I'm gonna take you a little tour. These are other rooms. Hey, yo.
Yo.
Was that you, bro?
Yeah, it was.
You throw something?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, I was like, what the fuck?
No, that was me, yeah.
Ease. Very good. So yeah, a lot of structures here. There's a lower level down there. And then there's an upper level here. If there's any people in here want to contact me, can you show me that you're here? Do you still haunt this place? Can you make a noise for me? Bang, throw something?
Oh, fuck. Man, I mean.